So hi everyone, in this video we will going to learn about the new data structure, uh, binary trees. Okay, so what are the binary trees? So this is unstructured data structure, non-linear. You can take it as a tree. Okay, and leaves are the binary trees. So basically in binary trees we are having root elements, then child elements, which we represented by the node dot left pointer and node dot right pointers. So while traversing to the tree, okay, we will use this type of a root dot left, okay, which will represent the left side element, and root dot right, which will represent the right side element, and root dot data, which will represent the value, the actual value of the node, right? So these are the nodes, right? These are the nodes, and these are the, and this is what the node elements. Okay, so let me show you that how we can do it. We will create a class tree, okay, for the binary tree, and we will init method, which will be used as a constructor. Then we will declare, okay, the pointers, data pointers, which will represent the data itself, left pointer, which will represent the left side element, left element, and right pointer, which will represent the right element. Okay, so this is our class. Now if we take root as tree, yeah, we will initialize the point value. So this will be the first value of the data structure. Now if you want to add a left element to it, we will write it as this, right? So the root dot left element is tree 2, and root dot left element is tree 21. Left right is equal to tree 22. Okay, now if you want to give, okay, root dot right element, so it will be like this: left is equal to tree, okay, 3 1. Then right is equal to tree 32, right? This will be the elements. Okay, so now guys, if you want to print the elements, you can use like this, right? Root dot data. Okay, and you will see this is the root element. If you want to print root dot left, it will give the memory address, and if you add data here, it will give you the data, okay, the value, actual value. So similarly, data, you will see this, right? So this is manual. So if you want to, okay, if you want to get it pre-order, okay, in the form of uh, method function, you can use this. Okay, so for a pre-order, we will print the root element first, then we will traverse to the left element, then we will traverse to the right element. Okay, this way, else return. Okay, so let me show you that how it will work. Okay, you can see this way. Okay, so these are the nodes values which we can represent in the pre-order format. Okay, so first it will type the root element data value, then it will traverse to the node left value, then it will traverse to the node right value. Okay, so this way it will keep on printing the elements. Okay, okay, so similarly if we want to, okay, print in order, okay, you can search on the website what is the in order and pre-order, post order, you can find it. Here we will say left print, here we will print the value, here we will traverse to the right. Else if no root element find, then return, simply return. So this will be the in order sequence. Okay, and you will find there is a changes. Okay, there is a changes of printing the elements. So this is how it will works. Now going to the post order. Okay, there, here we will mention post order. Left element, we will traverse to the left element, then right element. After we will print the element, okay, itself. Else simply return it. Okay. Post order root. Okay, and you will see there is a another change in the printing of the sequence of the elements. Okay, so this is how we can create a tree node, okay, manually. And if guys you don't want to mention it, okay, if we want to insert the elements, okay, automatically we will use this. If self.data is less than value, then if self.left is none, then what we will do, self.left is equal to tree and value. Okay, so this will automatically insert the element. Else self.left, otherwise it will directly insert the element. Okay, and if self.data is greater than value, then if self.right is none, if the self.right is none, then we will simply assign new node to self.right, otherwise else we will insert the element. Okay, so this is the automatic way. Okay, this is the automatic way and we will just remove this manual ways. Okay. Hmm. And now I will insert value in this format, 10. Hmm. Then root dot insert I. Okay, and you will see this way, right? This is the automatic way. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. This is way, this is how we can insert the element. Okay, you can change it as well. And you will see the frequent change. Okay, that is depend on root element. You will see this way, post order. Okay, so this is how guys we can create a insert element. Okay, this is how we can create a binary trees. Okay guys, so hope guys this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.